Namaste, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is the sentence. Yes, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which conveys complete sense. As when we have a group of alphabets which are joined together in such a systematic manner that they convey some sense in the same way when a group of words are joined together in such a way that they convey a complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence always has a subject and a verb. Verb, let's speak out. The sun rises in the east. Here, the sun is the subject and rises is the verb. Second, very important thing, it always begins with the capital letter and it has a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end of it. So these are the most important things. A sentence, a group of words which make complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end. And it has a subject and a verb. Now we are going to talk about the type of sentences. There are four types of sentences. The first is assertive, second is interrogative, the third is imperative, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence. Let's make you more clear. Yes, I'm going to read out sentences. Kavita switched on the television. Second, grey clouds covered the sky. These sentences are stating something. The sentence that states something or giving us an information are called statements. They end up with a full stop. They are known as declarative sentences. Now, let's start with interrogative sentences. Do you clean up the cupboard? Where does Pratika stays? You have to answer these questions. Yes. Questions usually start with is, am, are, has, have, will, shall, do, does, was, were, did, shall, will, can, could, would, or should. They may also start with a question word such as WH questions. What, why, where, when, who, and which, how. Sentences that ask you something for which you have to give a reply are called interrogative sentences. They always ends up with a question mark. Now, let's come to the imperative sentences. Now I'm going to read two more sentences. Please help me. Please give me some salt. Yes, these are called request sentences. Now, two more for you. Don't talk loudly. Keep silence in the library. These are giving you commands. Yes, they both are imperative sentences. The sentences which have a command or an order or a request are called imperative sentences. Now let's start with the exclamatory sentences. Now I'm going to read out some of the sentences. What a beautiful day it is. What a marvelous sight. We have a strong feeling, whether it is of sadness, happiness, joy, sorrow. Sentences that expresses strong feelings and emotions are called exclamations. These sentences ends with the exclamation mark. They are also known as exclamatory sentences. Let's brush up ourselves. I won the contest. Why are you running so fast? Hooray! We have won the match. Shut the door. The first one is stating something. So, it is an assertive sentence or a statement. Why are you running so fast? Is a question which is being asked. So, it is an interrogative question. Hooray! We have won the match. This is showing happiness and it is an exclamatory sentence. Shut the door. This is an order given by someone. So it is an imperative sentence. Hope you have understood what are sentences. Let's brush up once again. Sentence, a group of words which make complete sense. A sentence always has a subject and a verb. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, or exclamatory mark. A sentence always says something which is exact and clear. And they are of four types. Hope you have understood the topic very well. Thank you and have a nice day.